How to add recurring tasks in Asana. So first, go to your Asana account. Next is just look for the task that you want to keep on repeating. So let's say I want to repeat this task here, or this task 1. So just click on it. Now next is just look for the due date here. Just click on no due date, since we don't have any due date on default. Click on it. Next is just click on set to repeat here, the icon here at the bottom. And then now here, from here, you can also already make the task repeat daily or weekly. And if you want to repeat it weekly, you can decide which days you want it to repeat, either Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. You can set it like that. You can also set it monthly. You can also set it on specific days, first Saturday, or on day something, or day 1, 2, 3 of the month. You can also set it yearly, periodically, or custom. You can just choose among these ones. So if you want to set it daily, it will happen like this. So after that, just click anywhere here, and now your task will start recurring. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.